Hello everybody, this is my first hands-on with the backpack from Xiaomi. This is their business backpack. As you can see, it's all black and there is a small... Here it says yours by design. It doesn't say anything like me or made by Xiaomi, just some general message. Here there's a big space. Probably see here you can put your papers, pen and other stuff. Not much really, there's not so much space. And here there is another pocket where you find this thing so that you can attach to something if you don't want to lose it. And here there is not too much space, it's around one hand, so you can put some documents, maybe your passport if you're traveling and other stuff like that. On this side we open till you can see there's a lot of it goes down till here, so it opens quite a lot. And here is where you put the laptop, and then you just close it. Here you can also put a flash drive, but I think it doesn't look so safe because maybe you can open it and throw it out when you're on the go. So here there's more space for maybe another tablet. There's a small pocket, and here there's another one. This one you can close, so it's a bit safer. And there isn't much really. The space inside is not that wide. So it gets big like this. It's around 20 centimeters. And well, here you can't open more than this, so I guess that's a good thing, so the laptop doesn't fall down, but in some ways it would be better if it could open more, so you can put bigger stuff in there. Now I'll be taking my laptop and show you how it looks with the laptop inside. And here's the back. We find the very comfortable strips that go on your arms. And here is the back, is also thicker than usual, so your back will not hurt after wearing it for a while. And this one is so you can put it on your hand baggage when you're traveling. Just put the handle here and you can bring it with you anywhere you go. And there isn't really much else. Oh, here there's the one pocket, so you can put, there's a net where you can put a bottle of water or umbrella, whatever you prefer. And that's pretty much it actually. There isn't much to say about it. The handle looks like it's with fake leather. And here there's a fake leather too at the bottom. The rest is some tissue. Yeah. We will see now with the laptop inside. Alright, I got some stuff that will try to fit in this laptop backpack. Of course, let's start with well, not of course, but the tablet is easier to get. So here you can put the tablet, you can put it horizontal. This is a 10-inch Samsung tablet and it fits just fine. Take the laptop. This is an old Asus laptop, and of course I'm gonna put like this. It goes just fine. This is a 15.6-inch laptop and it fits fine. It's just enough. So if you have a 17, I would say that it will not fit. And this is not an ultrabook, but it's quite slim for a normal laptop, so I would say that If you have a bit thicker one, I'm not sure it will fit. As you can see, there's not too much room for a bigger one. So you should have an ultrabook or a thin laptop like mine. And then I'm not sure where I would put the power adapter. So for here, I'd say it's fine like this. And then I thought that I can put here, like if I have to bring a camera, I can put it here, and it seemed to fit. And then here's the power brick. You can put this one here too. And I guess if you have a smartphone, of course you can put it right here. And that's there's some space left, so you can put more stuff if you want. And as you can see on the side, it gets a bit bigger, but not too much. So I guess maybe here there is more space, but there is a laptop too. So I will put my stuff if I have to bring a camera or something else. And then just to show you, we can put a bottle here. Let's see if this one fits. Oh, that's quite a big bottle. It's like maybe 750 milliliters bottle. Alright, it fit. So that's what it would look like. I guess it looks fine, and it still looks good. Yeah, I think there is some space for some more stuff if we wanted to. Like, of course, if you're traveling, you want to put as much stuff as possible. So yeah, and that's it for this first look video. I will make another video after I use this for a bit, and then I will let you know if this is worth your money, because this costs around $25 to $30, so it's not super cheap, but it's also not expensive, and the build quality is really good. It feels solid, and it should be somewhat waterproof, but I've seen that they have better backpacks that are more waterproof than this one. This one is not advertised as waterproof. They just say that zippers are waterproof. I'm not sure about the material. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and stay tuned for the full review of this bike. Bye bye.